Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to play versus AI in Ultimate Team. In the beginning let's go to Ultimate Team and find Play. Now select Play versus AI and here you can enter squad battles or single player draft. Here you can see featured squad battle, team of the week, opponents. Next, you can select opponent and check your rank. Select opponent and then select difficulty. Adjust your squad and advance. Confirm. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.